The Realme 3 mobile features a 6.2 display, with a screen resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels and runs on Android 9.0 Pie operating system. The device is powered by octa-core processor paired with 3 GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has 4230 mAh. Over that, as far as the rear camera is concerned, this mobile has a 13MP plus 2MP camera CMOS sensor supporting a resolution of 4128 by 3096 pixels, and the front snapper is powered by a CMOS sensor. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass. For graphical performance that can make games run smoothly, this phone has got a Mali G72MP3 GPU. Onboard storage is at 32 GB with the option to expand the memory by up to 256 GB. Design is one of the most important factors when it comes to mobiles. This phone is 8.3 mm slim and weighs 175 grams. Realme 3 has been launched in 3 color variants: Classic Black, Dynamic Black, and Radiant Blue. Realme 3, unlike all the smartphones launched by Realme till now, comes in a unibody design.